If you've been very observant while debugging your projects, you might have noticed the Immediate Window option at the bottom of the Visual Studio window. The Immediate window allows you to execute various commands while the project is running. To begin this lesson, open the Joe's Bar web application project from your Sample Files folder. Now open the code behind file of default.aspx and add a breakpoint to the line response.write email entered. Breakpoints are covered in Session 3 of the Essential Skills course in this series. Now start debugging by clicking Debug, Start Debugging. Enter a valid email address into the text box and click Give me free beer. You are returned to Visual Studio and the project is paused at the breakpoint. If you're not automatically returned to Visual Studio, return to it manually without closing your web browser. Now click the Immediate Window button at the bottom of the screen. The Immediate window appears. It's empty at first, waiting for you to enter a command. If the Immediate window isn't visible, you may need to reset Visual Studio's window layout. To do this, click Window, Reset Window Layout, and click Yes. If the Immediate window still isn't visible, you can manually display it by clicking Debug, Windows, Immediate. Next, you're going to use the Immediate window to display the value of the email entered variable. Click in the Immediate window and type > debug.print email entered. When you press the Enter key, the command is executed and the value of the email entered variable is displayed. There's also a much quicker way of running the debug.print command. To do exactly the same thing, type email entered. Note that in the professional version of Visual Studio, another window is available called the command window. The command window is very similar to the Immediate window. In fact, the only difference is that it automatically inserts a greater than symbol before each command. If you type a greater than symbol into the Immediate window, you will replicate the functionality of the command window. The Immediate window can do more than just display information. It can also run commands. Type the following command: $150 plus 12. When you press Enter, the Immediate window calculates 150 plus 12 and displays the result of 162. Next, type this command: $mailmodule.mailmodule.isEmailValid email entered. This command actually runs a method from the MailModule class library, which you added a reference to in Lesson 1.2. When you press the Enter key, the method returns true for the email address, indicating that it is valid. If this command doesn't work, try stopping debugging, rebuilding the project, and starting debugging again. As well as displaying values and running commands, the immediate window is also able to change the values of variables while debugging. Enter the following command: email entered equals not at valid. When you press the Enter key, the value of the email entered variable is changed to not at valid. Now check if the email address is valid again by using the same command you used before. $mailmodule.mailmodule.isEmailValid, email entered. This time the method returns false, because the new value of email entered is not a valid email address. It's worth mentioning that you could also do all of this by using the watch window. The watch window is covered in Session 3 of the Essential Skills course in this series. Stop debugging now and close Visual Studio. You've now completed Lesson 111. Use the immediate window.